divide the two countries. Politics can divide them to the extent of other issues happening. But then, for the countries, business and trade and investment brings them together so that at the final analysis, they can be strong blocks. So the shortest way to get to peace, to ensure that peace is showed, and what people strengthen the relationship has to go through trade and business. If you look at the European Union, everybody knows that the biggest fights in the world, known as the World Wars, started in the European countries. And the two countries who highlighted this, who spearheaded this, the ones who put in place the European Union. And the underpinning factor is trade of coal and other sources of energy. So therefore, talking about culture, what brings together closer, you talk about trade and all issues relating to economies and investment. Even the languages that we speak, there is always what will spearhead the languages. I mean, it also goes with trade and business. So our meeting here today in two countries which in final analysis are one, to talk about economy, to talk about trade, and also to talk about investments, which is the backbone of the economy and trade. So in view of the above, I believe that this is significant. So this is why we hosted the second edition here with a view to showcasing such meetings. This is the second edition of the forum. It's commendable. This edition has as its theme harmonizing of friendlier business environment. All that we are doing, all that we are doing that underpins trade, economy, and investment, that we have to harmonize this between the Gambia and Senegal. This, in the final analysis, if you look at it from a global perspective, as African and Pan-Africans, we have to talk about African Union first. You know, the African Union is vast. The idea is to bring together all the African countries in a big space, more than 30 million square kilometers. The heads of states have deemed it necessary to harmonize all issues relating that would enable Africa to be a single market. This is why the AFCTFA, all African countries with the exception of one. Now, we and the Gambia, we all are part and parcel of ECOWAS. ECOWAS, these bring together countries in the western part of Africa. This also is a 6 million square kilometer space. For the time being, and currently, we have 17 countries who have decided to set up an integrated zone, a single market, so that anything that relating all the obstacles should be overtaken. We even talked about creating a common external tariff, mainly to harmonize all issues relating to customs when it comes to goods coming from other areas into our zone. Furthermore, we have participated in other fora, because not long ago I came here to attend the OMVG meeting. These are countries that share common heritage because God brings together people, sometimes by force. Well, people say you cannot choose your relatives, but then when it talks about states, you cannot choose your neighbor. But sometimes God brings you together so that you can manage the affairs. So, for example, the lands, the rivers, the Casamance River, the Gambia River, it's our heritage between Senegal and the Gambia. And this is why Senegal and Gambia met at that time, see how they can come up with a charter to see how together we can smoothly manage the Gambia River. Thereafter, Guinea-Bissau and Conakry joined the OMVG. But if you look at the status, it is Senegal and the Gambia who established the OMVG. So Vice President and the President, Mr. Barrow, we should look at the texts because these texts have been signed a long time ago. Furthermore, this is, I've talked about a broader aspect, AU, ECOWAS, but then we have a bilateral institution, the Secretariat between the Gambia and Senegal. As God will wish, in 2000, from 2011 to date, namely 13 years now, the permanent secretariat never met with a view to looking at what can be done and to smooth it so that we'll be able to all benefit from it. So today, our meeting here in Banjul, within that framework, we would like to thank God, but then we would have to commend the two heads of state, President Adama Barrow and President Bassirou Diomaye Faye. But then, please allow me to congratulate also the Vice President, because he was the one who mooted the initiative. He sat with us and said we would like to come to Dakar on a working visit. This took 2 days, and during those 2 days, we discussed about this matter. President Adama Barrow was duly informed, and that before the end of the year, let us try and bring together the community to launch the ideas that are beneficial to both of us. So today's meeting is part and parcel of the Trade Investment Forum. So I would like to congratulate the Gambian authorities. I would like to congratulate the conveners, APIX and JIPA. And also I would like to congratulate the diplomatic representatives and the two private sectors of both the Gambia and Senegal. My dear brothers and sisters, I just said that these two countries are one and the same. So, dealing on trade and business should be between since 2001, when it was initiated with 80,000 CFA francs, that is to say, trade between the two countries. And 2023, we are talking about 117 billion. There has been a lot of evolution. And it should be stated that this figure should have been hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of $billions. And this should be multiplied by 10 or by 5. This is our ambition now. In the years to come, if we meet again now towards the next 3 years, the 117 billion in terms of commercial trade, we hope that this would attain $500 million dollars. At that
bu boobaa dinañu gën a
at
firndeel
that
ni
time,
li nga xam ne moom la
would
Gambia
be,
war a jëriñ Sénégal Sénégal war koo jëriñ Gambia
we will be
ñaari réew yi ñu ngi koy doxal
concentrating on mutual
ay
benefits
chiffres ak ay statistiques mun ko wane
and statistics and data
te ñu mun
have
koo def
shown
nag ci
this.
domaine yëpp
And
wax nañ
this
ci
can be done
agriculture
in all fields. We have talked about agriculture
ay
here,
infrastructure yaa ngi fi
but then we have infrastructure.
énergie bi nga xam ne waxtaan
We
nañ ci keroog
have
ci OMVG
energy.
bi
We have talked a lot about energy during
ngi
the
fi.
OMVG meeting. Is here in both
Transport bi.
countries. The transport sector,
nga xam ne lu mënut a ñàkk la
which is
diggante
indispensable
Gambie ak Sénégal.
between the
Transport
Gambia
terrestre
and Senegal.
ci suuf si.
Land transportation,
transport maritime
maritime
ndax benn
transportation,
code bi kese la
because we all have
Transport
one
fluvial.
coast, and then river
waaye
transportation,
transport aérien
but also air
loolu lu mënul ñàkk la te lu ñu
transportation.
war a développer la
All these above
Ci wàllu
sectors
tourisme
should be developed. When it comes to tourism
ak ci wàllu
and when
économie
it comes to
numérique
the digital economy,
ci secteur industriel bi
the industrial sector,
hydrocarbures yi nga xam ne tey
the oil sector today, oil
njort nañu
products,
nee ñu ko gisee
the way we have
ci
seen it,
Sénégal
in
noonu la
Sénégal,
amee fii ci Gambie ndax même bassin bi
the
la
availability of
Xanaa
oil
kay
products in
prospection
Senegal
yi
should
moo
be the
mën a yéex.
same as in Senegal,
Waaye
because
même
it's the
bassin
same
bi la,
basin.
jàpp
Maybe
nañu
it's the
foo ko jëlee
prospective
ci nord ba ci
platform
sud,
which is different,
di nga fa fekk
but
la
then
même chose.
from the north
Ci
to the
wàllu
south,
pêche bi,
you will find oil
napp gi.
products. Now, when it comes to fisheries,
yooyu yëpp di ay secteurs yoo xam
all
ne
the above
secteur potentiel yu am solo la
potential
ñu war koo mën a gën a ful
sectors, and
diggante
we
Sénégal
should be
ak
able
Gambie.
to enhance them between Senegal
Waaye léegi-léegi
and the Gambia.
ci
But also,
exposé moom
Who,
directeur général APIX dafa wax ni
like in his presentation, the
ñun
Director
lu ñu gisee
General of APIX
renforcement bi
said
du
the
rek
manner
diggante Banjul
in which we
ak Dakar.
enhance the relationship between Banjul
parce que ñun bu ñu
and
ñëwee dañu
Dakar,
ne lenn ci suñuy problème
because
mooy
when we came, what
suñu
we
politique
had
yëpp dañ
our
koy
heart was
xalaat
that all
tënk
our
ko
policies would
à
be
partir de suñu
taught
capital
from our
réew nag boo
capital.
ko bëggee développer
But then, if you want to develop
il
a
faut
country,
fépp foo dem ci réew mi
everywhere you
nga
go
fekk fa
in
à peu
the
près même niveau de
country,
développement
you have to have the same
ñu ne kon
level
Sénégal yemul
of
ci Dakar
development. So Senegal, Dakar is not,
ba
Senegal
tax
doesn't
suñu
stop at Dakar.
programme
So
de
consequently,
transformation bi ñu war a
our
yóbbu 2050
transformation program to
dañoo xaaj Sénégal ay
2050,
pôle
Senegal will be divided
muy
into hubs,
juróomi pôle ak ñett
8 hubs.
pôle yooyu nag
And these hubs,
benn bu nekk dafa war a doon un
each
foyer de
of
développement
them should be a cradle
boo xam ne
of
dañ koy xalaatee
development,
ak ni ñu koy
so
tënkee
that
ak ni
the
ñu koy
way
doxalee
we think about it, the way
du
we
lu nit
showcase
toog
it,
Ndakaaru rek
would not
di ko
mean
xool à
somebody
l'image de
staying
Dakar.
in Dakar and
Waaye
seeing
dañuy
things
jël
from the
en
prism
compte
of Dakar,
réalité pôle
but
boobu.
they should take into account the realities
jàpp
of
nag
that
ni
hub. So
pôle
we
yi nga xam ne
believe
pôle
that the poles or
frontalier
the
lañu.
hubs, the border hubs,
soo jëlee lu mel ni
if
Gambie
you take, for example, the
dafa am
Gambia,
frontière ak li ñuy wax ñun pôle centre nga xam
it
ne
has
moo
a
boole
border
région de
with the
Kaolack
central hub
ak Kaffrine
that is between the
ak Fatick.
region of Kaolack, Kaffrine,
Loolu côté
and
nord bi la.
Fatick. This is on the northern
waaye mu
part.
am
But then
également frontière
there-
ak pôle sud
Gambia also has
nga
a
xam ne moo
frontier
boole
with the southern hub,
Ziguinchor Kolda
that is
ak
Ziguinchor,
Sédhiou.
Kolda, and Sédhiou.
ñu jàpp ni nag
We
bu ñuy
believe
xalaat ci développement
that if we want
suñuy
to
diggante
talk about
warul doon
development
rek
amongst our two
diggante
countries,
Banjul ak
it should
Dakar
not only be between
ay
the
gis yu mel
capital,
nii waaye dafa war a doon
Banjul
concrètement
and
sur le
Dakar,
terrain.
but it should happen
pôle
concretely
yooyu
on the
naka la
ground.
ñuy liggéey
So those poles,
ak
those
Gambie bi nga
hubs,
xam ne moom la ñu
how
amal frontière.
can they work
Bokk na ci
with
xalaat
the
yi.
Gambia on the border
Mooy ñu
areas? It
fexe
is
ba
part of our
zone
agenda.
économique
We
transfrontalière.
have to have cross-border
ñaari réew yi dañ
economic
koy seq.
zones, which would be
Mu doon
managed
zone
by
économique yoo
both
xam ne
countries.
mën na dajale
These would be economic
d'abord
zones that, first and
les
foremost,
secteurs privés nationaux
would bring together the national
waaye
private
mën na
sector,
andi
but
xëcc
also
ay investisseurs
would
étrangers.
bring foreign
te ñu am ay
investment.
règles yu koy régir
And there are
mu doon
rules
partenariat
that
boo xam ne
govern these
win-win lay
hubs,
doon parce que
and
ñun
this
suñu
would be
gis-gis
a
ay réew bu
win-win
ñu war a ànd.
partnership.
nañu dox ci nawlante
So let us
te
work
lépp lu ñuy def
in
benn
that
réew bu
spirit,
nekk na ci gis boppam
and whatever we do, each country should find benefits in
kon
it.
lii moo tax ñu ne
So
deuxième session
this
bi
is why we are saying that the second edition of this trade
ñu
and
ne
investment forum
deuxième session bi nga xam ne ñu ngi koy tenir fii
that we are convening here
day doon
today
rek prolongement
is
ci li ñu
just
def boobu ba léegi
an extension
waaye ñuy
of
insister
what
ni nag
we have done. But then we would like to place
Adduna
particular
bi xaaruñu.
emphasis. The world is not waiting for us. Africa should know where our backwardness is. And we have what others have been doing in one day. We Africans, we want to do it in 2 months. This explains why we are behind. Cooperation should be done on a day-to-day basis, not only from one summit to the other. This is the crux of the matter. This is why the secretariat, permanent secretariat headquarters in East Gambia, and the country, each country will appoint their representative. And God willing, we will infuse more dynamism into the secretariat. We will give it the necessary wherewithal so that it will play its rightful role, the role of liaison, facilitation, and fast-tracking of relationship between the two countries. So we are happy, we commend that for some months, it has, if the cooperation between the two countries has been rekindled, because in last July, we convened 2 important meetings. The session of the Trade Committee, we met, but then most especially, it is the second bilateral meeting between the two countries, and attended by the 2 custom administrations, and they have taken fruitful decisions to enhance the investment and business relationship between the two countries. So, Mr. Vice President, their invitees, when we leave, we are here. We are here to showcase our relationship and also the international relationship. Our priority is Africa before else. And within Africa, our priority is the sub-region. But then within the sub-region, our priority would be our immediate neighbors. Because Senegal cannot go and live behind Senegal, neither can the Gambia go without leaving Senegal. Now, I cannot conclude without thanking His Excellency President Adama Barrow for the welcome, but I would also like to congratulate His Excellency Mr. Barrow, because the summit we had not long ago here, without his leadership, we would not have attained the result. So on behalf of President Bassirou Diomaye Faye, we would like to congratulate President Barrow. But please allow me to congratulate the Lord Mayor of Banjul, my friend, my sister, for her welcome. I would like to express my satisfaction for the personal relationship, because it is good that she is here. She is the one who is welcoming us here. So we thank you, we greet you, and in your respective works, we would like to wish you all the success. May God give us more. Senegal and the Gambia are one and the same. Nothing can divide the two countries. Long live Senegal, long live the Republic of the Gambia.